This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay federal taxes online. First, you'll want to understand the IRS Direct Pay system, which offers a secure way to make payments directly from your bank account. Before you begin, gather essential information like your social security number, date of birth, and your current filing status. Then, select the specific payment type you intend to make, whether it's for estimated taxes or a balance due. Once you're on the IRS Direct Pay site, you'll select the reason for your payment, such as a balance due on your tax return or an estimated tax payment. Next, specify the tax period for which the payment applies. You will then securely enter your bank account details, including your routing and account numbers, for a direct debit. Always take a moment to carefully review all the entered information before finalizing your submission. Beyond IRS Direct Pay, you can also pay your federal taxes when you e-file your return using commercial tax software. Many taxpayers find this integrated option very convenient. Another method involves using a debit card, credit card, or a digital wallet through an approved third-party processor. Just be aware that these third-party services typically charge a small processing fee, so factor that into your decision. After making your payment, it's crucial to save the confirmation number provided. This number is your proof of payment and can be vital for any future inquiries. Additionally, always check your bank statement within a few business days to ensure the payment was successfully processed and debited. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.